Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Friday the 13th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. I did not do a Palantir video yesterday. My Tesla video was quite long and everything, and nothing was really special with Palantir, so I might skip that video once in a while. Today we are up $1, up 13.62%, closed at 834. Pretty much the same story as everywhere else on the stock market. Stocks are bouncing everywhere, so we are bouncing on support. So the stock market is not all that random when everybody bounces on pretty much the same support. So that's pretty interesting. So we have a nice green candle here. We had a green candle also yesterday. We still have a downward channel right here. We have a downward channel, and the rule of a downward channel is that the stock is going to zigzag between the two lines. Now we went even lower. This is an exception. And we just came back into this downward channel. So it does not mean that things are going to go back up, but it means that this little exception is over. Then the next step is going to see if this resistance right here is going to be crossed. That's the big question. And it's going to take at least several days to see that. Let's go see the 1 hour chart briefly. Please, TradingView, please give me a function that would allow me to delete my drawings like that. Not my lines and my trend lines, but just this highlighter stuff. That would be nice. Gap top during the first hour of the day today. We had also a nice move yesterday, and it's pretty much the same move. A nice move in the morning, then stabilization, nice move in the morning, the first hour. Then stabilization. We got almost stochastic over 60 here yesterday, and we definitely have it today. This is a significant move. This is not noise. Here, this is just noise, but here it started to not be noise. This is what we want to see, because noise cannot be predicted, but when a stock starts to make some signals that are not noise, then it tends to go in the same direction. So going back on the daily chart, so we have stochastic at 27. So yeah, coming back up quite nicely since yesterday. Everything else is still in the tank because, as I like to say, 1 or 2 candles don't make a trend. So let's just give it time, but at least it's nice to see something changing a little bit. So instead of going down, we have 2 nice green candles. And we also closed higher than we closed on May 9th. This is a nice comeback for Palantir. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Sunday if you are a member with the right tier, or if not, we are going to talk Monday. I'm going to wish you a great weekend and tell you à la prochaine.